Good everyone, my name is Sibert Tubida and I am taking currently a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation BSMT in section S3B. Importance of PMI's resilience for us future seafarers. PMI's 5 which focus on resilience is very important because life at the sea is a pull-out challenge such a long periods away from family, harsh weather condition, heavy work loads and unexpected emergencies. Resilience teaches us how to stay strong, adapt, and recover quickly from these difficulties by learning resilience. We are trained not just to survive hardship, but to keep performing our duties with disciplines and a positive mindset. This is a key quality needed in our profession where safety and clear decision making are always required. How this subject helps me achieve my dream. This course will help me become a successful seafarer because it develops me only my technical skills but also my character and mental strength. It prepares me to face stress, pressure, and risk on board with confidence and presence of mind. Most importantly, resilience gives me the motivation to never give up, to keep improving myself, and to always rise above challenge. With this, I believe I can achieve my dream of becoming a competent and successful seafarer who can serve the maritime industry with pride and excellence. Thank you.